Good morning. We are here with Radu.
Hello. Hi, everybody.
He's a viewer and patron. Showed up last night. He lives in Toronto. Great guy. So glad to have you aboard.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
And we're hitting the ground running today. We're going to swim with sharks.
Yes, we are.
So excited.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I think so. Yeah, we'll see. It's the first time I'm doing that.
Well, same with us. So I mean,
yeah.
Well,
I hope we're not the bait.
yeah, we hope we're not the bait. So let's get going. We are here with a special treat today with the Pelagic fleet in Cabo San Lucas, and this is Reggie. She kind of runs the shop here, and she invited us to have a day out on the water. So tell us a little bit about yourself and Pelagic fleet and what we're going to be doing today.
So I'm Reggie. I'm originally from Barcelona, but I have been living now in Mexico for a year. I'm running, managing Pleagic Safari. That's daily expeditions out there in the open ocean. And what we try is to have different, like really intimate encounters with different pelagic species. We really love to encounter sharks.
Right.
This is a really special point to find different sharks in different seasons. Now we have a lot of mako sharks in the area, smooth hammerheads. Also to try to understand better our oceans. One of our mottos is like conservation. I also run an NGO, a non-profit.
Oh, wow.
The name is Nakawe Project, and what we try to do is raise awareness, try to do a lot of scientific projects to try to understand what's happening with sharks. As you might know, sharks are being overfished all over the world.
Right.
So this is one of the goals, not only to let people have an amazing day, an amazing experience, but also understand that we need to use ecotourism as a solution.
Right.
It's the most sustainable solution to protect our oceans, and also to change perspective, to transform lives, and to make people care about those animals
Right.
that are super misunderstood.
Well, cool. We're really looking forward to it. Thanks for having us out. And
You're welcome.
we're going to put a link to Pelagic, and then we'll put for your NGO too on there.
Perfect. Thank
Yeah.
you very much for this.
Hey, sure. Thank you.
Gracias.
All right, thank you. All right, so here we're with the Pelagic fleet and on Mobula. Tell us a little bit about yourselves and what the boat is.
Hi, this is our captain for the day, Nedel. Today is going to be the captain of the boat, the Mobula, and I'm the guide, Evans, from Pelagic Safari.
All right, what kind of boat is it?
Intrepid, 32 foot.
It looks like a fast boat.
It is. It is. You will see that pretty soon.
Okay, all right, we'll get going. On the first part of our safari, we decided to do some whale watching since the humpback whales were migrating through the area.
Two things.
Like after the tail?
They went down.
Yeah.
When there is the tail out, they are going down, okay? Can be like between 5 up to 20-25 minutes. Something.
Oh, really?
So that's
Is that
the
their
first-
peace
yeah.
sign?
So that's the first reason. Second thing, if we wait 15-20 minutes for those whales here, that close to shore, when they're gonna come up again, we're gonna be like literally with 20 boats around.
Right.
So we don't want to be part of that. We prefer to find whales by ourselves. I mean, or at least with 2 or 3 boats, but not with 25 boats around. That's not the idea.
That's
Okay,
harassment.
so let's find some other ones.
Here in La Baja, we have two types of whales that come to have the calves, humpback whales and great whales, come to different lagoons and like breeding areas during the winter. So they have like a 1 month and a half journey to come here. It's between 10,000 to 2,000 miles. They arrive here, some of them want to mate, and some of them already have been like pregnant from the year before. They have like 11 months, the humpback whales, I think, until 13 months, I think the great ones. Now we can see already a lot of calves that are really playful in the surface, learning from their moms. They learn how to protect themselves from predators. We also have some orcas around because orcas really like the calves.
The orcas don't want to play with them, they want to eat them.
They want to snack on them.
Yeah, they're bite size.
And you know what the worst part is? The orcas are terrible. They don't even eat the whole thing. They'll bite it, like kill it, and then they'll just eat like parts they like. Maybe like one organ or the tongue. I've heard they really like the tongues. They'll eat the tongue and they'll leave the rest of the whales.
That's so sad.
Look, other things will eat it, so it never goes to waste, but the orcas are really picky, horrible like that.
After the whale watching, it was time to chum for sharks. The Pelagic crew says they see sharks most every time, but this just wasn't our day. All we seemed to attract were birds.
Thank you to the Pelagic crew. Guys, it was a fun day, so thank you so much.